So hello everyone, welcome to this live market analysis of Forex pair. So if you don't subscribe the channel, must tap the subscribe button to get the latest update of Forex and get the analysis of Forex pairs and setups. So let's start our analysis of today for the next week. So let's start the analysis from dollar index DXY. So in the DXY, you can see that price was in the short-term uptrend. In the 4-hour time frame, you can see that price was from this type of double top market structure, which shows is some kind of a rejection and some sort of bearishness in the market. So if we go to the 1 hour time frame, you can see that price break this trend line support to the downside and closing below this level. So here we are expecting that price come to almost this level, which is around about 110.28. And if price hold this area, we have a sort of rejection and a sort of strong support to the down left hand side. You can see that if price on the Monday, we can expect that price come to this area. If price break this area, then we expect that next support is this, which is almost 27th of October low this areas, and price come to test again this area. All right, so here we have scenario that price come to this area, and if break, then we have this area. We expect that this area, but if price does not break this area, then we expect that price come to retest this area, because in this area we have a sort of 200 moving average resistance. So we are expecting that if price break this, then price this area retest this area, but if not break, and we have bullish candles here, so we expect the price again come to this area of resistance, 200 EMA, and then next level is this area of resistance. All right, so next setup for the next week is New Zealand dollar. So in the New Zealand dollar, you can see that on the 4-hour time frame, price has formed double bottom market structure in the uptrend, short term uptrend. You can see that price from this higher highs. So wait a second. Yes. So you can see that in the 4-hour time frame, price from this double bottom market structure and sort of retest of 200 EMA, which shows the bullish market. And in the 1-hour time frame, you can see that price is above the 200 moving average, which is clear show there's the uptrend in that New Zealand dollar. All right. So if price break this sort of small sort of resistance here, we break this, we are expecting that this price range, and you can go long after the breakout of this resistance. And we have a on the left hand side, we have a clear three candles downside, and which shows the range. So we have a this area of resistance. Here we have a double top. So our first target this, and if I break this resistance, then you can hold for this area. All right, so here we have a good setup in the New Zealand dollar. All right, if break downside, then don't trade, because price is in a uptrend in 4 hour and in 1 hour. All right, so next setup is AUD CAD. So in the AUD CAD, you can see that in the 4 hour price was same as price break this area of previous market structure, and now come to retest this resistance now as a support area. So in the 1 hour time frame, you can see that price also respect this area of resistance trend line. So if price break this trend line and this level, which is 8737 area to the upside, and close above this area, then you can go long for this target. First target 8794, and then the next target is 27 October high, which is this area. So you can hold it for this area. All right, but if price does not break this to the upside and break to the downside and close below this area, then we have a clear range to the downside. You can see that we have a consolidation area in the 4 hour. You can see that we have a clear range market previous to the left hand side. So we are expecting that price again come to this area and at this spot and move in this range, which is this range of almost if we calculate, wait a second, which is almost 88 pips range. So if price break to the downside and close, then we expect that price again consolidate in this range area. All right. So in the last but not the least, gold, the father of the currencies. So in the gold price was to draw very on the previous week. So in the 4 hour, you can see the price is forming this double bottom, and we have a sort of a rejection from multiple time from this area. You can see that here we have a multiple rejection from this area. So in the 1 hour, you can expect if I move this uh, uh, areas. So in the 1 hour, so in the 1 hour, you can see that we have a sort of double bottom market structure, and this is a very strong level, key level, which is 1640 to 16, almost 1640 level area, which is support. So we are expecting that price come to this area, which is 1650, and this is a good zone for selling to the goal. So first target for selling is this, which is 1650. First level for selling, and then 1656 is good for selling the gold. All right, so here we have a good setup in the gold for selling, and on the Monday opening, you can go scalp trade for the long for this target, but overall in the market is bearish. So we are expecting that price come to this area, and we go short for this area, which is 1627, and next is 1656 is a good zone to short gold for 1628 and 1620 area.